Hello guys, it's Regio Sage. Today we're going to be doing a summoning rush, so get ready and get ready. Let's see what types of champions we can pull in this event. I highly doubt I'll get a Lily. As great as this champion looks like, it's alright. And of course, rare. Go figure. Not the best, but I'm used to it. Ooh, and what do we have here? A Basher. I don't have. That's a first for the Skinwalkers. Let's see what we've got here. Attacks one enemy has a 75% chance of placing a 25% weakened debuff for 2 turns. And a 20% damage increase, fully booked. Attacks all enemies, increases the cooldown of all the target's skills by 1 turn with 3 turn cooldown. And increases the cooldown of all the target skills by 2 turns. And attacks 4 times at random. I'd see this more as a boss buffer. The 4 turn cooldown. Bullock. Oh, like I figured, nothing. Nothing impressive here. Got anything? And a Phoenix. I think I don't even have a Phoenix yet. Attacks 1 enemy, places 1 hit. Target has any debuffs. Attacks 1 enemy. Okay, this looks like it will be fairly good damage to the faction wars. Ooh, decreases bombs. Okay. So I can definitely see where all of this would be going for. Yes. Decreases defense, decreases speed on the A3. Definitely a good hitter. I'll be back, guys. Just have to already redo some gems and crystals. I'm back, guys. Let's get this summoning rush over with. See what I get for hoarding 8 sacred shards. Togi. Ooh, that looks nice. It's actually one of my few Perfect Veil champions. Attacks 1 enemy 2 times, has an additional 20% chance of inflicting a critical hit if this champion is under a veil or perfect veil. Attacks 1 enemy 2 times. Each hit will ignore 20% of the target's defense. Ooh, I've already fixed a few armors and masteries for this one. Has an additional 20% chance of inflicting a critical hit if this champion is under Veil or Perfect Veil buff. 3 turn cooldown. 3 turn cooldown, fade into nothing, places a Perfect Veil buff and a 30% increased speed buff on this champion for 2 turns and fills this champion's turn meter by 40%. Standoff, 2 turn cooldown. Whenever this champion's attacked, completely blocks 1 hit, the incoming damage to 0. Then counterattacks with the default skill. By a boss, decreases the incoming damage by 50% instead before counterattacking. Ooh, Hydra. Ally crit rate and all balance by 15%. See what else we got. Ooh, Vogoth. Welcome to the team again. Now, if only we could ascend our epics. Another allure. Is this like my 3rd allure? Another Kaitis. Built out. And you'll frig. I am not. Yeah, not impressed. 20 enemy has a 25% chance of placing a provoke debuff for 1 turn. Attacks all enemies has 75%. Have a 100% chance of placing a 25% weaken debuff for 2 turns. 3-turn cooldown. Could be good for Spider. Places a 60% decrease debuff, defense buff on all allies for 2 turns. Fills the turn meter of all allies for 4 turn cooldown. Nah, the best. 25% strengthen buff on this champion for 2 turns whenever their HP drops below 50%. 4 turn cooldown. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Ooh! And the Lido! Hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Good thing. Huh. Wasn't that one of the champions fusion summoned earlier on last year? One enemy increases this champion's defense by 5%. His critical stacks also shield this champion by 75% of their defense. After attacking, its defense has already been increased by 20%. Attacks all enemies, places a shield buff on all allies for 2 turns equal to 20% of the damage inflicted. Transfer all debuffs from all allies to a target enemy and attacks the enemy with the default skill on a 3-turn cooldown. Champion's resistance into additional accuracy when using this skill. Ooh, that could be good. Interceptor. Whenever an ally that has 2 or more debuffs is attacked, this champion will absorb 30% of the damage inflicted on that ally. Increases ally resistance in all battles for 60%. Nice. I got a new champ. New rare. New legendary. Let's see where that push me. Oh, this has been fun, guys. But see what else this brings. This legendary looks like a good one to be building. Till next time.